Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC Pro for free. So just download CapCut PC first, and then for instance, I want to use these effects, but they require Pro. As you can see, I added the night vision one, which requires the Pro account. But I still can use it on my video, as you can see, same as this filters. So same as this filter, sorry. So you're going to want to click on this gray thing, go to modify, and make sure you go to performance and the proxy is off. Then press save. You're just going to make this a full screen, and you're just going to basically record this. I know it's not the most perfect thing to do, but it is a better high quality. It's a better quality if you turn off proxy and then you screen record it, rather than enabling the proxy and then putting it at 540p. It's going to make the playback quality a little bit worse, I guess. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but that's how you basically do it without inviting friends. But I do suggest you doing the trial first and then actually getting it, because I think it's worth it for me personally. But if you don't have, well, if you're only using it for one project and you just want to export it, the best idea is to just screen record it, but with a better quality. So make sure you turn off proxy, because it does make the quality worse, because when you edit it lags. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.